So with this hair repair, I'm using Benjamin Witch Hazel, and the ingredients is baking soda, first tea tree oil, and I'm gonna use rice powder. So while I'm doing the application, I'll just walk you guys through it. So here is my client. I'm gonna give her a hair repair treatment. As you can see, this is the status of her hair. It doesn't look refined, and if it curl, it goes back to this look. And also our skin don't start break out no matter what she use on her face, and her scalp itch her a lot. So I'm gonna do overall, I'm gonna use one treatment to take away all of these problems. So first I'm gonna brush the hair, and I'm brushing in an upward movement because I want to keep the hair bond together. Then I'm going to go ahead and use witch hazel and cotton to clean her scalp. So I'm gonna put some in here, just a little, on her hair, little by little. And I don't know if you can see how she hits her scalp, and you can see those spots right there, right? It's a camera, so I don't know if you can see. So I'm basically going to sorry about the noise, guys. My next door neighbor, I'm at my shop, but there's a next shop next door to me. So those tenants will have their children come home after school. It's wooden floor, so they will stamp on it, and I can't allow them to let me not put up any videos. It's not burning you?
No.
So I'm just gonna dispose of that one. So, and I'm going to use the baking soda with the rice powder. And a teaspoon of baking soda. It doesn't matter the amount, just use a teaspoon of baking soda. The amount of rice powder. And make sure the water is warm. So if you look on this amount, I'm just going to make a paste. So you know, like when you buy cholesterol treatment, deep treatment, you know, those hair mayonnaise and so forth.
Yeah.
That's basically the same thing I'm using the rice powder to make. I know some people use rice water, but thumbs up to them. I'm actually making a paste, and remember I make the water well warm. I didn't cook it, I just make it warm, and this is what the paste look like. It's gonna get soft, and it's going to go on the hair now with the teaspoon of baking soda. And of course I'm going to put 3 drops of tea tree oil. So that was 3 drops of tea tree oil. And might I add, it smell really nice. So you don't want it to be too hot. I'm going on to the client's hair. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go and give her a shampoo while that's cool. So I'm going to leave this to cool, and I'm going to give her a shampoo. I'm going to shampoo her hair, meaning lather it 3 times to make sure all the dirt come off. And because I use the witch hazel to cleanse off her scalp, I want it to be able to take off everything off her scalp, so I have the skin dealing with, and no but we would say no dry skin or dry scalp lying there. We want to cleanse off everything and have the hair properly clean, no dirt on the hair. So the reason why I have to shampoo the hair first, you don't want the dirt and the grease that she have in her hair before mixed with the treatment, then it won't give it the full action of the treatment. So this is why I'm going to give her a proper shampoo and then come. So I finished shampoo her hair, right? And of course I could go ahead and use the applicator brush to apply it, right? But I'm definitely not going to use any applicator brush. I'm going to use my hand, and this is a bigger teeth comb. So as I said, her hair scalp itch her a lot and have all these little bruises. It's not wet dandruff, but she's just like it irritated, and her hair coarse. It is so coarse, and she says it's not growing, it just stagnant. And if you curl it, it just look bristle and dry. So I'm gonna put the treatment in. As you can see, it's very stiff. Just give her a good shampoo. So I'm just doing this so my hand can just apply the treatment properly. So this is what the treatment looks like. Now it's very soft and nice. So we're going to, and if it's too warm, when you take it up, if it's too warm, do not put it in the client hair. Wait till it's cool. So basically I'm just putting it on her scalp. So I'm going to just turn her around so I can just apply. And might I add, this is a messy application. And even if it was just the water alone you use and saturate the hair with, that the water that comes from this, because might I add, it's good, so it's okay. But I want the rice and everything to be on the hair. So I'm just gonna put it all over. Make sure. And you can see the whole of her hair, it hold it. You okay?
Yeah.
Just don't lean your head forward, just lean it to me. And then I'm gonna put on this cap. Don't want to waste any. Okay, so I'm finished. Okay, so I finished the application to her hair, the rice treatment, and this is what it looks like. So now her hair can curl, and it's soft. Oops. And as you can see, it take the curl, and there is no spritz. It's very soft.